Good evening and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson at Excel International Maths. I'm Mr. Kamotho, and in this video we are to understand something in Pure Mathematics 3, and we are discussing chapter number 8, and we are looking at example 4 that is explaining something to do with iteration. We have understood in the previous video that iteration is a way of getting a root from a distance through converging operation. And of course, in example, we will see what we expected to do and say in this particular chapter, or in this particular example. Fx is given by x squared minus 4x plus 1. The part A of the question is asking us show that the equation fx is equals to 0 can be written as fx is equals to 0 can be written as x is equals to 4 minus 1 over x. First of all, let us understand that it is x squared minus 4x plus 1 which is equals to 0. And as such, we can see in this particular expression 4 is positive rather. So there was a time that negative 4 crossed over, and we're going to have x squared is equals to 4x minus 1. If you happen to divide everything by x, so we find that x is equals to 4 minus 1 over x. And this is what we are just supposed to show. Hence, shown. That is what we've been able to prove. Part B of the same, use the iterative formula xn plus 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 over xn. Please remember, n stands for possession. And we are told to start with x0 or x0 is equals to 3. And when we are talking about x0 is equals to 3, at this particular point n is equals to 0. So therefore, x2 rather, or x1 is going to be, x1 is going to be 4 minus 1 over x0 or x0, because this is n plus 1 and this is n. In this particular point, now n is equals to 0. So if we substitute with 4 minus 1 over 3, that is simply going to be 4 minus 1 divided by 3 is going to be 3.666. It's going to be 3.66667, and this is x1. So x2, in this case n is equals to 1, such that 1 plus 1 is 2, is going to be equals to 4 minus 1 over x1. N is 1, remember. And what is our x1? 3.666. This is going to take us where we have 1 over 3.6667. We can talk about 4 minus 1 over 3.666667 is equals to 3.7272, is equals to 3.72 is equals to, this one is going to give us 3.7272 727272752, a big number moving forward. And we are going to talk about when n is equals to 2. When n is equals to 2, then we can easily get n 2 plus 1, which is n3, is equals to 4 minus 1 over x2, because n is equals to 2. And what is our n2? 3.72. So 4 minus 1 over 3.7272 again is going to be something that you are going to be familiar with. 4 minus 1 over 3.7272, and of course we have 3.7317 is going to be 3.71 3.71 3.731, not 71, 731 70 moving forward, 3.7317 moving forward. Now, what are we supposed to prove, or what are we supposed to show? Use the iterative formula xn plus 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 over xn with x naught is equals to 3 to find the value of x1, x2, and x3. And sure enough, we have found our x1, this is x1, this is x2, and this is x3. And that is exactly what you've been able to do. Please remember, for us to get the next value of a root or x, we have to use the previous value of x. All right?